Missouri. I want you guys to put your hands together for Mr. John Andrews.
Yeah!
He's so strong.
He's still on the bike with one
And
hand.
from Bentonville, Arkansas. And these guys are all professionals, by the way. Professional BMXers and mountain bike snow rider. But all the way from Bentonville, Arkansas, I want you guys to put your hands together for Mr. Louis Cortese.
Yeah!
And last but not least, chasing him right there on that rear wheel from Springfield, Missouri. You guys give it up for Joe West.
Woo! Woo!
Well, like I said, we're going to do some stunts for you guys, so we're going to whet your appetite here just a little bit. If you see something you like, you got to let these guys know about it. Are you ready?
Yeah!
You guys ready? Here we go.
Oh. Oh.
He's doing the whale.
Oh. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Oh! Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Oh! Yeah!
Like I said, you can see something you like, you gotta let these guys know about it.
Whoa! My voice can't, it just can't. Yeah! Oh, all right, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Joe West.
Oh!
60 there by John Andrews.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna run. Woo! Man, my voice, I swear.
All right, check this out. Here we go.
Oh! Yeah!
Give it up for these guys.
Woo! Amazing.
All right, Joe. Now, what would be a great number of hops do you think on the front wheel without messing up? How many?
30.
10. 10. I heard swing
25.
10. I think that's pretty legit. What's up, Joe?
You're gonna try and do 10?
No, you are.
I just did like 4.
Yeah, I know. We're going to take it up another notch here.
Okay.
Now, Joe can't count very well, so we need to keep him honest. So, as he hops on that front wheel, you guys are welcome to count out loud with us, all right?
All right.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
10 hops.
Yep.
Yeah.
We got 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 1 You got 27.
All right, Joe, I don't think we're done. You guys want to see one more?
Yeah!
Well, we're going to take it out here. I need, for this next stunt, I need a brave volunteer.
I thought I was going. I wanted to go out there, really.
All right, Joe, see this guy? He's kind of muscled up. If you mess up, he's going to squish you like a bug.
He doesn't look that big.
All right, come over here, sir. I need you to lay down on your back. Maybe your feet off of the mat, you know, like on your back, your head about right there, and your feet coming out this way. All right.
Squish him! Squish
You
him.
want me to just squish him like a bug?
No, I said he would squish you like a bug if you mess this up.
I'm not the one laying on the ground.
All right, sir. How many years have you been teaching here? Year 3. Wouldn't it have been awesome to make 4? Let's make sure he can make it. All right, guys. Here we go. See what we got.
Oh God, oh no. Never mind, I never wanted to go down there, never mind. Oh! 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 Okay. Okay.
I don't know if you noticed this, but he was about an inch from your nose.
He really was.
You're not. Dude, it was like this. It was pretty close. Yeah, and then over your midsection there.
What?
Yeah, that was close, man.
Well, I took like 2.5 years off, okay? I'm just trying to make it happen. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
So, hey, what he meant by that is he traveled with us for like 15 years, and he hasn't traveled with us for 2.5 years. This is his first show back.
All right.
He's kind of rusty. He's just getting warmed up.
Yeah.
I don't know. Whoa, Joe!
Oh.
Bring those arms in close! Careful, Joe.
Oh.
How about a little haircut right there?
Brad, he is terrified.
He's the great disc right there. Take a little off the top. Careful, Joe! Whoa! Like a quarter of an inch right there. Give it up for Joe West.
Yeah! Yeah!
I'm scared.
Just get warm, just get warm.
I got a couple more.
You got a couple more? Now hold real still. Don't move, sir.
Oh boy. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Nice. Give it up for Joe.
Yeah! Yeah!
I didn't ask. Mr. Nicholson.
Nicholson.
Mr. Nicholson.
Like a golfer.
Yeah, I guess like a golfer. I don't play golf.
I don't either. But I guarantee there's a golfer named
It's
Nicholson.
been off 2.5 years. You wore out.
No, I'm ready. Here's what I'm thinking.
You got something else?
Let's turn him sideways.
Oh!
That sounds
So
dangerous.
just turn 90 degrees.
That sounds
He better not hit his nuts.
You get lunch today?
That's why I don't want him to hit his nuts.
All right.
Well, that's
What do you think, man?
that
You think
would.
what I'm
I
thinking?
think he needs to smile.
Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
He just goes, oh.
Yeah.
Hey,
Mr. Nicholson on really what?
We'll pray for
I
you.
want to see how good those brakes work after 2.5 years.
Oh
Hey.
no.
Yeah. Thanks, bud.
Oh God. Oh. Oh. Oh, this hurts. This hurts for pride.
Let's see one more.
Yeah! This hurts.
Don't move on this one.
It hurts in a good way. Whoa! Oh, wow! Yeah!
All right, what I need you guys to do is lay on your back, starting about right here, going that way. Lay your back side by side.
Oh.
We'll make sure that you don't get ramp. Like, there'll be takeoff ramp, and we'll put you right there, and you'll be the landing ramp, sir. Right on the other side, because we are going to do a jump. I've noticed these guys like jumps, Louis.
Can I just say one thing?
Yeah,
The ramp is right over here.
yeah, that's a big ramp. I think it's like overkill.
What do you mean overkill? Where she said a jump, so if you want me to jump.
Overkill, Louis.
No,
No.
not today.
Not today. Yeah, I just want you to see if you can jump without a ramp.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Without a ramp?
Yeah!
All right, here we go. Let's give it a shot.
McNabb's gut's going to be gone.
All right, you guys gonna have to give me some encouragement now. Come on, let's.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. No. Louie.
He did it. Yeah. My boy did it.
No, not that guy. No, I'm not. Hey, dude.
What's up?
I said jump him.
I did.
Yeah, but I meant with the bike.
Listen, you were not specific whatsoever. I did exactly what you told me to do, right, guys?
Yeah, he is correct.
I listened in school, so I'm
thinking it'd be a little more impressive with the bike.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try it
I'll
again.
do it with the bike.
Okay.
Oh,
you guys ready for this?
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Come on,
You
Goofy.
guys want to see it with the bike, right? All right, here we go. Yeah, make some noise!
Yeah.
Get over here, Louie. What are you doing, man? No, get over here. Don't give him a high five, Joe. No, it wasn't. No, not good. What are you doing?
I did it with the bike.
I've been pumping it up like you guys are professionals, and then you do that.
Well, then all those things are true.
Yeah, but I said to jump him, and then you did it without the bike, and then I said do it on the bike. And then
He said with the bike, right?
Yeah, he did.
I said with the bike.
Yep.
More specific. I'll tell you what.
I tell you, I need you guys to help me out.
I hit my head a lot. Okay?
He doesn't listen well. I'll be more specific. This time, do it on the bike. Say it with me, guys.
On the bike.
You hear him? They said on the
I
bike.
heard him. But there's a problem, but I'm not going to talk about it until I do a test jump.
Test jump.
Yep.
What's the problem, though? I got to hear it first. What's the problem?
So, you know my record?
Your record of jumping people?
Yes.
What is it?
2.5.
That's a problem.
That it is.
That makes me a little bit nervous.
Yeah, that guy at the time, my landing grab is not stoked right now. But hey, like, it could be like, he said obstacles, like moves, like right across
So he's only done 2.5. Do you have good health insurance?
Can you sign this
Like
waiver?
hospital food?
Well, he needs life insurance.
No, not particularly. Might get worse. God, yeah. All right, so you know what I'm thinking? Since you've only done 2.5, are you good with math?
No.
If you take that times 2, what do you have? You got this. No, it's not 4.
5.
2.5 times 2.
4.5.
5.
5.
Yeah, I need 2 more volunteers.
Oh, God.
Let's see here. Yeah, one more teacher. You're pointing this way. They're pointing at you. Come on out, man.
Mr. Combs, come on.
And I got an idea. I need Thomas Shepard. Is Thomas Shepard in the house?
Oh.
Thomas, are you here? Oh, he's right here. Come on out, man.
Oh, boy.
All right, man, right there. All right, Thomas, right here.
Alrighty then.
Oh, boy.
Joe, you still nervous? How about you do that test run you were talking about? Jump out to the side. Make sure you're going to clear our victims. I mean, our volunteers.
Our victims, all right.
Louie, what are you doing?
Oh,
Dude,
that.
jump right over the top. This, and then there's a problem. Well, I got good news and bad news. The good news is that you did your record.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
No. But the bad news is you only did 2.5. You're gonna have to go a little bit faster, a little bit further, a little bit higher, right? They're gonna have to get a lot louder. Come on, guys! Let me get one more birthday, man. We gotta get the right music on. You guys ready for this?
Yeah! Let's go.
Deep breath, deep breath.
You got this. Don't kill him. Oh, yeah! Yeah!
take your both hands off.
Alright.
John Andrews.
Oh! Oh! Okay, that was nice.
Here comes Louis. We got a few more hits here. Louis with the pin.
Alright. Oh! Oh!
Let's hear it for Louis.
Yeah!
Hard spin right there. Good one, everybody. 360 right there.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
So Louis coming in for something. It's called a tailwind.
Wow! That was good.
John Andrews coming in.
Alright.
540.
Whoa!
You guys got your loud floor. Let's make some noise for John.
Alright!
You guys want to see John try that again?
Yeah!
All right, John, let's see that trick.
You got it this time. Come on, buddy. Yeah! Let's go.
Alright, so if you guys could see any stunt that you want to see this afternoon, what it be?
Backflip!
Well, I'll tell you what, Wednesday night, man, they're going to be doing all kinds of backflips, going upside down,
They
doing
cock
crazy
blocked
stuff.
us.
I don't think we have a big enough ramp here.
Fair enough.
We need to go back from.
What do you think, John?
Well, I think if I hit it, I'm going to go like right through the wall.
Yeah, that would be bad. We don't want that. So they're asking for a backflip. I told them Wednesday night. You got something kind of crazy, though, that you're willing to do?
I mean, the only other ramp is this little baby one right here. But remember what
But
happened
you
to my...
can't. Yeah, last time you did a backflip on that ramp, show them what happened.
Oh. Oh.
We don't want that to happen again.
Yeah.
You've already lost a few of your teeth. I don't know, you thinking? You thinking you can try it?
Yeah!
Try it?
Yeah!
Well, understand this, it's more difficult to do a backflip on a ramp that size than it is a bigger ramp. So if you guys want to see it, you got to get loud and give John a lot of encouragement.
Wait.
What?
I need a test run, dude. Let me just feel this out.
All right.
We don't want him killing himself. Alright, let's see.
No, John, what was that? Dude, I'm thinking if you don't get any
It's
higher,
iffy! It's iffy!
if you don't get any higher than that, you're gonna be like scraping your helmet on the floor. All right, guys, I think he's gonna try it, but you're gonna have to give him a lot of encouragement.
Let's go! Come on! Alright, buddy, come on.
Here we go, make some noise!
Let's go! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Wow!
Lou, you got one more? What are you thinking, buddy? Oh, you thinking upside down as well, but on the bigger ramp? A variation of the backflip? All right, so what he's talking about is a flare. What that is a backflip with a 180-degree twist in it. You guys want to see that?
Yeah! Good luck, buddy.
Then you're going to get loud. Come on, let's hear it.
Yeah, let's go! Come on, buddy, you got this. Oh, wow! Yeah! Yeah!
Guys, we've had a great time with you. Have you had a good time?
Yeah!
Remember Wednesday night, the big show at the high school in Richland. You do not want to miss it. Guys, we look forward to seeing you. And it's for all ages, by the way. Invite your family, invite your friends. We'll see you there, 6:30 p.m. Wednesday night. God bless. Thank you.
Yeah!